Hello guys and welcome back. I'm Ed from the Gogetyours review channel. I hope you're all doing fine. And well, today we have managed to get our hands on these BlitzWolf BW-ES3 wired earphones. So rather than a box, these BlitzWolf BW-ES3s come in a basic frosted packet. Inside we have an apparent warranty, an instruction manual, 2 sets of silicone earbuds, 1 set of small, 1 set of medium, and the ES3 earphones themselves. Looking closely at them, both earphones come with large sized silicone earbuds already fitted. The main driver shell is made of ABS gloss black plastic with an anatomically shaped design so it fits well within the ears. So I hope so. The cable attached is 1.2 meters. It is a 500D nylon cable. No, it's not braided, but it does have a 3.5mm earphone jack and a wired multifunction control unit with microphone built in. It has controls like play and pause, triggered by a short press. We got a next track selection which is triggered by a double press, and a previous song selection which is triggered by, yes, 3 presses. The whole weight is around 12 grams, and they are indeed classed as IPX5 waterproof, which are basically splash proof really. Putting these BlitzWolf earphones in for the first time, I must say it's quite important for quality and comfort purposes that you have the correct earbuds fitted, as they will provide an overall greater music experience which will seal in the audio and seal out any excess sound which may be around you. Let's go ahead and choose a track, and right from the off, they actually sound pretty good. Whoa, the high tones were fantastic, the mid tones were very well balanced too. Very punchy in fact, and those low tones, well, they were absolutely simply spot on. And in fact, I'd have to say the bass, well, it was perfectly tuned, and I think that these earphones actually do pack a punch. These earphones do have dynamic drivers, supplying high volume, which do drown out the outside noise with that noise cancellation. The polarity between both drivers was great. The frequency response was specified from between 20 to 20,000 Hz, but in fact it came in around 15,200 Hz, which isn't too shabby. The comfort was good, they never once fell out, neither did they feel irritating. But one thing I will question is how long the cable will last, as it does feel a bit thin to be honest. Overall, I really can't frown too much about these BlitzWolf BW-ES3s. They are indeed within a budget range category. There's nothing special about the packaging or anything else, but as fully functional, good sounding and well balanced budget earphones go, these ES3s certainly tick a lot of boxes. I mean, for that extraordinary low price tag of £3, which is only $4 you can't really go wrong. They really don't look too bad, and yes, you can indeed use these on a PS4 console too. PlayStation. Take screenshot. Which, that's a nice little bonus. If I was to rate these BlitzWolf BW-ES3s out of my usual rating out of 10, then today I think I've got to rate them 9 out of 10. I did use these while in work for around 3 days, and I must say that positioning these earphones was actually important. The control unit on the wire as well was very nicely situated. But yes, they did do a pretty good job replicating amazing sound quality with most genres of music. But yeah, for £3 you can't grumble and you can't really go wrong. I do recommend them, and I'll certainly leave a link for them within the video description down below. So yes, go get yours. And while you're there guys, if this video was helpful today, please go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe and make sure, yes, that you hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on all my new uploads. I will see you guys on the very next video, which will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. And well, thanks for watching. Peace! We'll be right back.